Conrad Agency life insurance series. Why people don't buy life insurance. Why people don't buy life insurance? One reason they give too expensive. The second, I have enough insurance already. Third, it's complicated. Fourth, not enough time. Five, the government will take care of my family. Six, I don't get sick. And finally, I will never die. Enoch's theory. Let's go over each reason why people do not buy life insurance. Too expensive. One of the most common reasons why people put off life insurance because they think it's too expensive, according to the 2018 Insurance Barometer study. However, when asked how much a $250,000 term life policy would cost a healthy 30-year-old, nearly half of millennials overestimated by 5 times the actual amount. The average cost for such coverage is lower than you might think. That means that they could be missing out on the protection they need for all the wrong reasons. I have enough insurance already. Life insurance is not about face value. For example, you have a set amount of income from your paycheck and a lot of priorities vying for your piece of it. There's the car payment, the rent, or the mortgage payment, and of course, those student loan payments that seem to stick around long after the days on campus. But when you think about it, what could happen if you passed away? The real question is, can you really afford to go without life insurance? If you passed away, a number of expenses might get passed along to the people you care about most. First, they will likely be covering the cost of your funeral out of pocket, which the median cost for a funeral with a viewing and burial was $7,640 in 2019. Secondly, if a relative or significant other co-sign your house or car or student loan, those debts may become their burden to bear. With the average student debt per graduate reaching $27,000 for public and $33,700 for private 4-year institute, that's a hefty tab to pick up. It's complicated. To some, buying life insurance is complicated, confusing, and well, just no fun. Who wants to think about his or her mortality? But we all know stories of people who had the unthinkable happen. They lost a spouse or parent unexpectedly. It is at that time that they wish they had taken the time to sift through the confusing topic. Current agency websites allow you to understand the different life insurance options, as well as having access to a licensed broker. Not enough time. If you ask someone how they are doing, the general response is busy. Busy with work, busy with kids, busy with life. Being busy with life makes it hard to squeeze in those not so fun things to do, such as life insurance. Life insurance is usually one of the things that we get done tomorrow. After all, you're not going to die anytime soon because you are young, you are healthy, or just death does not happen to you or your family. Why don't people buy life insurance? The government will take care of my family. The truth of the matter, in the state of Illinois Department of Human Service, the maximum that DHS will pay is $1,370 for funeral, $686 for cremation and burial. If you are receiving some kind of family service in your passing, example, general assistance. In 2020, the Social Security Administration pays survivors a single disbursement of $255 on the death of their eligible family member. So you can't depend on the government to help protect your family. Why people don't buy life insurance? Another reason, I do not get sick. Great. Your health is directly linked to life insurance premium you pay, which be lower depending on your height and weight, BMI. No matter how great your health condition, we're all going to die. The question is, how would I protect my family? How does life insurance protect my family? Finally, why people don't buy life insurance? I would never die. The Enoch theory. I guess you'll keep paying taxes. It's hard for you to think about your mortality, but that is something that we all have to face. In the Bible, Enoch walked with God and he was no more, for God took him. Genesis 5:21-24. Even if this would happen to you, how are you going to protect your family? Life insurance will provide the income needed to keep alive the dream you have for your children, even when you are no longer here to provide. Commonwealth Agency offer life insurance options to help you protect your family.